Sairam students, in today's session we are going to see about the science project. Now you all know that we take formative and the formative it carries marks. So the formative is based on your second chapter, that is plants, structure and function. Now this project you are going to do it on a A4 size project paper or any A4 size paper which is available at home. Right children? And you are going to submit this project or this formative when the school reopens. So understood children? You are going to submit this assignment or this project when the school reopens. So what is the project? Explain the structure of leaf and draw 5 different shapes of leaves on the stem and color it. So what is the project children? You are going to draw the structure of leaf and explain each and every part of the leaf. And the second part is that you are going to draw 5 different shapes of the leaves on the stem. After doing this, you are going to color the leaves. Right children? So, what is expected from you? What are the materials required? A4 size project paper or any A4 size paper, pencil and a sketch pen. You are going to write your name, subject and standard on it. So, you are going to draw the structure of leaf as it is shown on the screen. Right children? So, you will draw this diagram of this leaf. You will color it and then you are going to label it. How it is being labeled on this screen with the leaf apex, the leaf margin, the vein, the mid vein, leaf blade, petiole, stipule and the leaf base. So all this you are going to label. And then first you are going to write a small introductory part of the leaf, that the leaf it comes out from the nodes of the stem. The leaf it is generally thin, flat and green in color. Right children? Then you will draw this diagram, you will label it and then one by one each part you are going to explain. Leaf apex you will write and you will write the tip of the leaf is called as the leaf apex. Then you will write leaf margin. The edge of the leaf is called as the leaf margin. Then you will write leaf blade. The broad spread out part of the leaf is called as the leaf blade. Then you will write petiole. The leaves of some plants have a stalk called as petiole. Then you will write stipules. Small leaf-like structures present near the leaf base are called as the stipules. And in the end, you will write leaf base. Portion of the stem attached to the leaf is called as the leaf base. So this is the way you are going to write it and you are going to color the leaf. Then the next part you are going to draw the 5 different types of leaves, that is alternate, decussate, opposite and vold. The fifth one is spiral. So you are going to find out that diagram from the internet and draw it. After drawing, you are going to color it and then again where you have drawn the alternate types of leaves, there you will write the heading as alternate. Then when you are drawing decussate, there you will label it as decussate. Where you are drawing the opposite leaves, there you will write opposite. Where you are drawing the whorled leaves, there you will label it as whorled. And where you are drawing spiral, there you will label it as spiral. So I hope students you have understood what the project is and you will bring this project when the school reopens. Thank you, children.